Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the wisdom of ancient traditions to bring you timeless solutions for modern problems. Today, we're exploring 10 ancient traditional secrets to lose weight fast. These practices have stood the test of time and offer valuable insights into achieving a healthier lifestyle. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our insightful content. Now, let's unlock the secrets of the past to transform our present. 1. Ayurvedic cleansing techniques. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, emphasizes the importance of detoxification for weight loss. Incorporating practices like panchakarma, a cleansing therapy, can help rid the body of toxins and promote better digestion, leading to weight loss. By cleansing the body from within, Ayurveda offers a holistic approach to weight management that focuses on both physical and mental well-being. 2. Chinese herbal medicine. Chinese herbal medicine has been used for centuries to aid weight loss by balancing the body's energy, or qi. Herbs like green tea, ginseng, and lotus leaf are known for their metabolism-boosting properties. By harnessing the power of nature, traditional Chinese medicine offers natural solutions for shedding those extra pounds. 3. Japanese mindful eating. In Japan, mindful eating is a way of life. The practice of hara-hachi bu, or eating until you are 80% full, helps prevent overeating and promotes weight loss. By savoring each bite and listening to our body's hunger cues, we can achieve a healthier relationship with food and maintain a balanced weight. 4. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet, inspired by the eating habits of countries like Greece and Italy, is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and olive oil. This nutrient-dense diet not only promotes weight loss but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases. By embracing the flavors of the Mediterranean, we can nourish our bodies and achieve lasting weight loss results. 5. Indigenous plant-based foods. Indigenous cultures around the world have long relied on plant-based foods for sustenance and health. By incorporating traditional staples like quinoa, chia seeds, and amaranth into our diet, we can boost nutrient intake and support weight loss. By reconnecting with nature's bounty, we can unlock the secrets of indigenous wisdom for a healthier, leaner body. 6. African herbal remedies. African traditional medicine is rich in herbal remedies that promote weight loss and overall well-being. Plants like Hoodia gordoni and moringa are prized for their appetite-suppressing and metabolism-boosting properties. By harnessing the power of African herbs, we can support our weight loss journey naturally and sustainably. 7. Native American fasting rituals. Native American cultures have practiced fasting rituals for spiritual purification and physical health for centuries. By incorporating intermittent fasting into our routine, we can promote weight loss and improve metabolic health. By honoring ancient traditions, we can tap into the wisdom of our ancestors and achieve optimal health. 8. Middle Eastern spices. Middle Eastern cuisine is renowned for its bold flavors, thanks to an array of aromatic spices like cinnamon, cumin, and turmeric. These spices not only enhance the taste of dishes but also boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. By adding a dash of Middle Eastern spices to our meals, we can spice up our weight loss journey and enjoy flavorful, satisfying dishes. 9. European herbal teas. Europeans have long enjoyed herbal teas for their soothing properties and health benefits. Herbal infusions like peppermint, chamomile, and ginger can aid digestion, curb cravings, and support weight loss. By sipping on herbal teas throughout the day, we can hydrate our bodies and support our weight loss goals naturally. 10. Indigenous movement practices. Indigenous cultures around the world incorporate movement into their daily lives as a way to stay active and healthy. Traditional practices like African dance, Maori haka, and Native American powwow dancing not only provide physical exercise but also foster community connection and spiritual well-being. By embracing the joy of movement and honoring our cultural heritage, we can achieve a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Thank you for joining us as we explored 10 ancient traditional secrets to lose weight fast. Remember to incorporate these timeless practices into your daily routine for lasting results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, Stay healthy and happy.